In this video, let us solve the question number 32 of SSLC Maths 2025 to 26 model question paper number 2. The question is prove that cosecant A minus sin A into tan A plus cot A is equal to cot A into cosecant A. The question has been taken from the chapter trigonometry and carries 3 marks. Now let us solve it. Here the LHS is cosecant A minus sin A into tan A plus cot A. Now let us convert the ratios into sin and cos. Cosecant A is equal to 1 upon sin A. Let us retain sin A as such. Here tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. Cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. Now let us find the LCM. LCM of this part is sin A. So in the numerator 1 minus sin square A. In the denominator sin A. 1 minus sin square A upon sin A. Here the LCM is sin A into cos A. Here sin A into sin A, sin square A. Here cos A into cos A, that is cos square A. So sin square A plus cos square A upon sin A into cos A. Now let us use the identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. Let us retain the denominator as such. So cos square A upon sin A. Here sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. 1 upon sin A into cos A. Here observe cos A in the denominator, cos A in the numerator. Cos square A is equal to cos A into cos A. Okay, get cancels. So now we have cos A upon sin A 1 upon into 1 upon sin A. Cos A upon sin A is equal to what? Cot A. 1 upon sin A is equal to cosecant A, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. I hope you have understood the concept very well. Here the main concept is the trigonometric identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.